Hi lovely, you're here to strengthen your core. I'm so excited to be doing this with you. I feel like I really want to fire up my core today. And because you're here, I'm inspired to do so. I've been teaching Pilates for over 20 years now, and I believe this is one of the most effective core exercises. This is ideal for beginners. Let's get to it. You're going to be laying down on your back in tabletop position. I highly recommend using a tool to put in between your knees to squeeze because it really helps to activate your inner thigh booty deep ab connection. So you're going to be squeezing your towel. I'll give you a second to get one if you need to, no problem. And in this tabletop position, because you're squeezing the towel, your feet should not touch, right? You want your feet, your knees, and your hips aligned. Have your hands down at your sides and make sure that your lower back is imprinted on the mat. You always want to feel your lower back on the mat. Even just being in this tabletop position, you should feel your powerhouse working. The inner thigh, booty, deep ab connection on. From here, you're going to just gently shift your knees over to the left. Your right butt cheek will just come off the mat a little bit, and you're going to be on a slight diagonal with the legs. From here, you're going to lower your legs down on that diagonal as far as you can without losing your lower back on the mat. And you're going to feel your right oblique really fire up. And then you're going to bring the legs back in towards that tabletop position, and you're going to repeat on the same side. Using your breath, exhaling as the legs go down, squeezing that towel, feeling the inner thigh, booty, deep ab connection working, that right oblique fired up. And you're gonna repeat. Using your breath. You can relax your feet. Try not to flex or point them, just see if they can hang out. Bringing the legs back in. Really focusing on your right oblique, feeling that right side fire up. Also check to see if you're holding any tension in your shoulders and your neck. You really want to feel all of the energy happening in the powerhouse, right? Your inner thighs, booty, deep ab connection. Remembering to breathe. Check to see if your low back is imprinted on the mat. You shouldn't feel your thighs working more than your powerhouse. If you do, you want to stop and rest. That's absolutely fine. Honor where your body's at. This is not a thigh exercise, right? This is a powerhouse exercise. Inner thigh, booty, deep abs, and obliques. We're just going to do a couple more. Only lower the legs down as far as feels safe for you. All right, let's switch sides. Legs come to center, reset, squeezing that towel, inner thigh, booty, deep ab connection on, lower back imprinted on the mat, shifting your knees over to your right a little bit, left booty cheek will come off the mat just a little bit, and now going down on that diagonal, keeping your lower back imprinted on the mat, squeezing your towel, feeling that left oblique firing up. Try to keep your shoulders and neck relaxed. Only go down as far as you feel safe. This is not a thigh exercise. You want to feel your powerhouse working. Inner thigh, booty, deep abs, oblique. Oh yes, your psoas too. Your deep hip flexor muscle, your postural muscle. All of that is working. Not your lower back, not your thighs, right? So check to make sure you're feeling it in the right place. Rest if you need to. I'm just going to do a few more. Last one. Excellent. Bring your knees into your chest, release the towel. Oh, and then rock your lower back. Wow, I really felt that. Feel the heat. Nice work. All right, you did it. Give yourself some props. Every exercise counts. You did good today. This is a tough exercise. If you have any questions about this exercise or you're looking for some modifications, leave a comment below. I'm happy to help you. So FYI, this is part 2 of 4. You can access part 3 in the description below or possibly at the end of the video. It'll be waiting for you whenever you're ready, and I will meet you there. See you soon. Are you ready for exclusive content, early access to content, and other perks? Join us on Patreon. Click on the link in the description of this post for more. Special shout out to my Vital 7 stars. Thank you for making this video possible.